Cooking with leftovers. Creative recipes to reduce food waste. Leftovers don't have to be boring. With a little creativity, yesterday's meals can transform into delicious new dishes. Here are some inventive ways to repurpose common leftovers. 1. Leftover rice. Crispy fried rice or rice pancakes. Quick fried rice. Sauté onions, garlic, and veggies, then toss in leftover rice with soy sauce, scrambled egg, and a dash of sesame oil. Rice pancakes. Tikdi/tapioca. Mix rice with a little flour, egg, and spices, then pan fry into crispy patties. Serve with chutney or yogurt. 2. Leftover roti/chapati. Crunchy chips or rolls. Roti chips, cut into triangles, season with chaat masala, and bake or air fry until crispy. Roti rolls. Stuff with leftover sabzi, paneer, or scrambled eggs, roll up, and toast for a quick wrap. 3. Leftover dal paratha or savory pancakes. Dal paratha. Mix thick leftover dal with atta, whole wheat flour, and knead into dough. Roll out and cook like a stuffed paratha. Dal chila. Blend dal with besan, gram flour, and spices to make savory pancakes, similar to moong dal chilla. 4. Leftover sabzi. Stuffed omelette or sandwich filling. Vegetable omelette. Mix chopped leftover sabzi, potato, bhindi, or gobi into beaten eggs and cook. Sabzi grill sandwich. Layer between bread with cheese and toast until golden. 5. Leftover chicken/meat tacos, quesadillas, or fried rice. Spicy chicken tacos. Shred leftover chicken, mix with taco seasoning, and serve in tortillas with salsa. Meat stuffed paratha. Flake cooked meat, mix with spices, and stuff into dough for a hearty paratha. 6. Leftover pasta frittata or baked pasta cakes. Pasta frittata. Toss cooked pasta with beaten eggs, cheese, and herbs, then pan fry until set. Pasta cutlets. Mix with mashed potatoes, shape into patties, coat in breadcrumbs, and shallow fry. 7. Leftover bread pudding or French toast. Savory bread pudding. Mixed on bread with eggs, milk, cheese, and leftover veggies, then bake. Masala French toast. Dip bread in spiced egg batter and pan fry for a quick snack. 8. Leftover idli/dosa batter. Uttapam or pancakes. Quick uttapam. Spread batter on a pan, top with leftover veggies, and cook like a thick pancake. Savory pancakes. Mix with grated veggies and cook as mini pancakes for breakfast. 9. Leftover curry bread bowl or stuffed baked potatoes. Curry bread bowl. Hollow out a bread loaf, fill with reheated curry, and bake briefly. Stuffed potatoes. Scoop out baked potatoes, mix with leftover curry, and bake again. 10. Leftover sweets. Gulab jamun, jalebi, dessert parfait or milkshake. Sweet parfait. Layer crumbled mithai with yogurt or custard for a fusion dessert. Jalebi milkshake. Blend jalebi with milk and ice cream for a decadent drink. Dash bonus tips. Black tick mark emoji. Freeze wisely. Leftover sauces, gravies, and broths can be frozen for future use. Black tick mark emoji. Combo magic. Mix different leftovers. For example, dal plus rice plus veggies equals khichdi. Black tick mark emoji. Season and refresh. A squeeze of lemon, fresh herbs, or a sprinkle of chaat masala can revive flavors. Leftovers are a blank canvas. Get creative and turn them into something exciting. What's your favorite leftover hack? Smiley face emoji. Fork and knife with plate emoji.